Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talk about introduction to function. In mathematics, a function operates according to a rule to produce exactly one output value for each input value. The input is the value substituted into the function. The output is the value that results from the substitution of a given input into the function. So first, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use a rule for finding output and finding the ordered pairs and graph on the coordinate plane. First of all, we have this table. When we make a function table for a rule, we need input and output. So for input is x. X is input. And then for the value for x, always we can get or we can take -1, 0 and +1. You can take more points for input, but 3 integer numbers like -1, 0 and +1 or +1 is enough. And then the second cell is rule. The rule is y equal to x squared plus 2. And then this is output. Output is y. When we find the value for y, we have to write here. And then the last cell we have order pair x and y. So the first point is -1. The rule is x squared plus 2. So we have -1 squared plus 2 because the rule is like that. -1 times -1 equal to 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So the output is 3, and then x is -1 and y is 3. This is the first order pair. After that you have 0. So the rule is x squared plus 2. 0 squared plus 2 equal to 0 plus 2 equal to 2. So we have 2, and the ordered pair x is 0 and y is 2. After that, the last point you have +1. So we have 1 squared plus 2. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So the value for y output is 3. The order pair is x is +1 and y is 3. And then we have to graph this 3 points on the coordinate plane. So the first order pair, we have -1 and 3. It means x is -1 and y is 3. So this is x axis and this is y axis. So x is -1. This is negative x till here, and this is positive x till here. So we have -1 for x. This is -1, and then for y we have 3. 3 is positive, so this is y positive, this is y negative. So this is -1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. We have to identify the point here. So this is -1 and 3. After that, the second order pair, we have 0 and 2. 0 is x2 and 2 is y. 0 and 2. This is 2. This is the second order pair, 0 and 2. After that, the last order pair, we have 1 and 3. We have 1 is positive, 1 is x, so this is 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the last order pair, 1 and 3. After that, the second example number 2, we have the rule y equal to x divided by 2. So this is input rule. For input, we have -1, 0, +1. You can change this number to -4, 0, +8, as you like. The rule is x divided by 2. And we have output y, and this is order pair x and y. So the rule is x is -1 divided by 2. -1 divided by 2 equal to 0.5. Minus times plus is minus. So y is -0.5, and the order pair x is -1, y is -0.5. The second point is 0. So you have 0 divided by 2 equal to 0. So output is 0, and the order pair is 0 and 0. After that, the last point is +1. So you have 1 divided by 2 equal to 0.5. So the order pair x is +1 and y is 0.5. And then we can graph this 3 order pairs on the coordinate plane. X is -1, so this is -1, -1, and -0.5 is y. So this is negative y here, and -0.5 should be here. This is -1 and -0.5. After that, the second we have 0 and 0. 0x and 0y here. After that, we have 1, x is 1, this is 1, and 0.5 is y. So we have to write here. This is 1 and 0.5.